He's enjoying my truck. No! Holy shit. It's so weird riding passenger for the first time.
Isn't the steering wheel supposed to be like right here, straight?
Yeah. Who cares? Just on a little crooked.
Who cares? The engine's off a little bit. Who cares? Who cares? It's good to have just a little bit. Here's the truck bottom. 45.
I always go 45 and a 40. It's not much left. It's got more power on the overdrive. I'm gonna start using it just in drive. I feel retarded.
Jesus Christ. You've been throwing it in D all the time.
Yep, overdrive the whole time.
Hey, just gonna hang.
Yeah.
I'll drive straight, right?
Yep.
That's how I turn. That's my turn signal.
Oh god.
It's kind of fun.
It is fun driving a little truck.
Kind of.
You're like, yeah. You're just jealous because that big truck makes up for your small wiener. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just grabbing
My
the
wiener is small!
You hear that, YouTube?
What, to your like 5 subscribers?
Yeah. Actually, I got like 90.
I know, but they don't fucking ever, no, 90 views ever happen.
I know. I don't know how I got them.
I usually fucking,
Well, duh, you have too much fun with the horn. Someone's horny. Oh! Hi.
oh god, no. Oh god. That's hot here, dude.
A little bit.
Sucks around AC, kind of.
I do. Like that bitch on. Takes a minute.
So warm up AC?
Shut up!
What the fuck?
You know what I mean?
No, I don't. You must have that new technology. Why are they not coming out of the vents?
It does. It just takes like a minute to start kicking out. And when it does, it's semi-cold. I don't know what's up with it.
Is it Luke cold?
Huh? It's semi-cold. I see. You're gonna park over here for once? Since I never do. Oh.
Damn, you gotta really fucking turn that wheel, bro.
Yeah. See how small the tires are? Jesus Christ! Dude, fucking the tires are fucking small. What do you expect?
Like, it's kind of cold, yeah.
A little bit.
God
It's even
damn.
colder though when I have it on
I
max.
think the air outside is cold enough.
Shut up.